When a G7 country gives XRP regulatory clarity, the whole world is going to take note. So in the previous videos, I explained how Japan is reclassifying XRP under its Financial Instruments and Exchange Act, and how the timing of it with their increase in interest rates cannot be coincidental. And today we are going to get out of the trees and we're going to start looking at the forest, because this isn't just about Japan. You see, when a G7 economy formally integrates a digital asset into its core financial law, that creates a precedent. And precedents matter in global finance. Regulators don't operate in silos and isolation. They study each other, they benchmark frameworks, and they assess systemic risk collectively. So when Japan moves XRP from a crypto token into a regulated financial product territory, my thoughts? Well, it really does three things globally. First, it removes the regulatory fringe narrative. If a conservative bank-centric system like Japan can structure responsibly, then others can't easily dismiss it as reckless. Second, it pressures slower jurisdictions. If institutional capital can operate clearly in Japan, then other asset managers will start asking things like, why can't we do this here, right? And capital flows towards clarity. And lastly, this really reframes XRP's identity, not as a speculative asset, but as infrastructure for regulated financial participation. But let me wave some flags here, because this doesn't guarantee adoption, and this also doesn't guarantee price. But I think it increases the probability of institutional pathways. And these probabilities could shift what serious investors watch. So if more jurisdictions start following this model and begin treating select digital assets under financial law instead of banning or litigating them, we then move from crypto markets to digital financial markets. And that's a very different narrative. Japan may not be trying to boost XRP here, but they may be future-proofing their own financial system. And in doing so, they may have just changed how the world categorizes digital assets. So I'll leave you with this question. Do you think other G7 nations will follow suit, or will they resist until capital forces their hand? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.